What's going on, guys? Mike here. Another episode of Mike's RC Corner. Thanks for tuning in. Of course, I'm your host, Mike, and as you can see, I got a box. It's got a bit of a story, but this box comes from a friend, and good deeds. Oh man, it's so great to have the RC community and meeting friends through this YouTube channel of mine, and someone offered to do me a huge favor, and from the USA, shipped it to me from Canada. I got something very awesome in this box. We got the SCX24 DEADBOLT. I've been looking to add this to my collection for a long time, and of course it's a 24 scale crawler. Of course this model's been out for a while, so I'm not going to do any detailed unboxing or go over anything, as you can see here, and I'm going to do a running video. I'm going to compare it with all the other crawlers I have in my collection. Big thanks to RC. He sent this here to me. Big time thumbs up, and I really appreciate it. And just to go over a quick concern or two people have, I get some questions saying, Mike, what's happening to you? Have you turned into a crawler channel? And the answer is no. The track at my local racing club has been closed now for 2 years, and yeah, so not any chance to go out to the big 110 scale track. As you know, I have the mini track at my house, and all those racing cars in my fleet are, there's no track seems to going to be coming my way, so we're going to move some of my stuff over to things I can use. And it's kind of hard to shoot the videos on the trails, especially my kids want to come along, but I try to do the best videos I can with the footage I can take, either with a gimbal or a hack cam. I appreciate you guys always tune in and watch my stuff. Just the grassroots channel here, guys. Appreciate the support as always. So thanks again to Lock Rocks for sending this to me. Be on the lookout for more videos. Things are a little tougher right now. My son's learning from home. Everyone's tired. Everyone's busy. We're in shutdown here in Ontario, Canada. This COVID business is wearing on everybody. It's kind of garbage if you ask me. And yeah, it's just not as easy to crank out videos. You work all day, come home, the kids want to play with you. We can do RC, but to do all these productions, so there's been a bit of drop off in videos, but I haven't forgotten about you guys, and I still enjoy making videos. I'm going to be probably doing fewer videos, maybe 1, 2 a month, and try and keep the content fresh, and maybe just review some of my older ones, do the got it, run it, the ones you guys kind of like to see. I got some brushless systems I want to upgrade into my ECX monster truck, the Ruckus, and a few other things I'm going to share with you guys, and some projects I want to finish up, and some overall upgrades or repairs on some of the other ones that I've recently done on my channel. So guys, appreciate the support. Everyone take care. Peace out. We're still doing good here. Hope you're doing good where you are. See you on the next one. All right. Thanks again to the YouTube RC community for being great and helping the guy out. All right. Take care. See ya.